Hello, 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 and welcome back to my latest video. I'm doing another split base piece, but this time in 3 parts. So you're going to have white on the left, white on the right, with the black in the middle, as you can see. And I just waved to say hello because I actually had started doing the base before realizing I needed to do that. So as you can see, I'm just pouring I've already done the black in the middle. When I do split base this way, I always do the middle colour first and then the two outer colours and try to blow them in. And I don't like straight things on my paintings. Okay, saying doesn't like straight things, sorry. Straight lines on my paintings, so mainly because I can never get the bloody things to go straight. So I've just, embraced the fact that it's not going to be straight. So I tend to make sure that the lines and other things are a bit curvy. And I like with the black and white how you get these little effects of the black going into the white on the edge. And there I'm just making sure that the paint is going over to the edge, covering up the edges as far as I can. Where my setup is, I can never see the top edge of the piece. So I just always hope that I've covered the edge enough. So I'm going in here with silver. All of my paints are mixed with PVA glue and water, and they are actually mixed in with silver as well. I did them as a metallic. Wanted all of these colours to be metallics. So that is primary magenta, mixed with about 50% silver, I believe, and just the normal silver, which is the mix of the borders silver and X4 silver. And this is my normal standard purple with silver mixed in. And obviously, being the messy person I am there, I spilt a bit. So all you do with that is you just dab your finger in, hope you can get the colour up. If you can, great. If you can't, then just take it up completely and then go over, put your base colour back down. And that was silver mixed in with primary cyan. And I'm coming in now with the green, which I believe is... Nope, coming in with some white there, just in between the two sides, the white on the black bit, and then I've put some black over on the two white sides. That's just so that it goes a bit more inverted. And there I'm coming in with the green, which is crystal green by Deco Art. I can't remember if that's Extreme Sheen or not. So as I mixed up some of these paints on the day, had more air bubbles than usual, so just coming in with the heat wand over there just to circulate warm air above to pop the air bubbles, which stops you getting pinpricks on your canvas later on and encourages your paints to mix together a little bit, which will give you a slightly better result. And I'm just there miming doing the blowing out on how I'm going to do it. And important note, that is how I plan how the pour or the blow is going to go, I will mime the blow, just because for me it's getting the movement fixed in my head. So being dyspraxic, sometimes I have to do things like that a little bit differently, but it helps with how you're planning for the whole piece to look, how you're planning for it to go. So yeah, I'm just there blowing a little bit more. I'm paying attention to the composition, how it looks, if I like the way certain parts have gone or if I don't like the way they've gone. And I didn't like how thin the black was, so I've just gone in and spread that out a little bit, actually creating the silhouette that the piece is going to be named after. As you will see, I actually have a silhouette of a woman in this piece now, and didn't like quite that the colours weren't quite as vibrant, and I could see there was some extra paint there, so going in and just creating a bit more interest and spreading the colour out a little bit more. And now coming in once again with the heat wand, you do it at the start to burst the air bubbles, and then as the paints have mixed, you do that again. And I'm using the other bit with the heat wand, which is quite fun. It can be used kind of as a mini fan for if you want to spread some colour around, because a heat wand is basically a kind of mini hairdryer, is the best way to think about it. So that's the piece pretty much finished, so I'll take you in for the wet result. Hey peeps, well here's the wet result of the split base ribbon piece. I don't know, colour ribbon. I think it's a colour ribbon. The ones where I do a ribbon of colour through the middle, I'm going to call them colour ribbons. Sorry, let's just get you all from the height. There we go. This is the wet result, and I'll just take you in so you can see the details. God, that magenta and that purple and the green and the blue works so well together. The little bits of black in there where I wanted to kind of give the proper inversion. Oh, these colours are gorgeous. I know I got some of these when I was doing the air bubbles with the heat wand. That's the other thing that you do get with the heat wand. It's blowing air out, so you can use it as a kind of mini blow dryer thing. But seriously, these colours just look like they're swirling and twirling away in the black bit and then just bursting out. Looks so gorgeous. I love these. Don't know if the camera's going to get the colour. Yeah, it is. But yeah, just the metallics in there, because I mixed silver in with all of my colours apart from the green, which was already a metallic. So yeah, that's the wet result, and I'm going to go in and show you some of the edges between the black and the white. I just love this cloudy effect. It looks so gorgeous. I love it. Hang on. This kind of looks like a person in profile to me, with their dress or a skirt or something just flapping around them. God, that's gorgeous. Love it! Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and follow me on social media at Sissy Artist. And I will see you again next time. Bye-bye.